Hello dear students, this video is specially for those students who found it difficult to solve exercise 7.2, some of the questions from question number 1. Let us solve those questions. It is to find the cube root of certain numbers. So to find the cube root of this number, when we check with 2, it is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3. So let us see with 5 because it ends with 5. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 5s. Again by 5, 6, 2 5. Again by 5, 125. Again by 5, 25. Again by 5, 5 1s are 5. That is 15, 6, 25 is equal to, see here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5 cube into 5 cube. So cube root of 15, 6, 25 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, which is equal to 25. The next sum is 13,824. So let us divide by 2. It is divisible. 6, 9, 1, 2. Again by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 17, 28. Again by 2, 8, 6, 4. 4, 3, 2. By 2, 2. Again by 2, 27. Now it is not divisible by 2. So let us divide by 3, 9, again by 3, again by 3. So we get 13,824 is equal to, let us see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is 2 cube into 2 cube into 2 cube into 3 cube. So cube root of this number is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. The next sum is this. Come on, let us divide it by 2 because it is ending with 2. So you can divide. So 5 2s are 10. Again 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. And 6 2s are 12. Again by 2. 2 2s are 4. 7 2s are 14. 6 2s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Again by 2, 1, 3, 8, 2, 4. Again by 2, 6, 9, 1, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again by 2, 1, 7, 2, 8. 2, 8, 6, 4. By 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 1, 6. Then 108. 2, 54. 2, 27. 3 9s, 3 3s. Now you see 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and here also 1 2 3. So the cube root of this number will be cube root of 11059 is, see, 1 2 3 4 times 2 raised to 4 into 3. So what is 2 raised to 4? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. Now the next number again divided by 2. 2, 3, 3, 2, 8. 2, 1, 1, 6, 6, 4. Again by 2, 5, 8, 3, 2. Again by 2, 2, 9, 1, 6, 2, 1, 4, 5, 8. 2, 7, 2, 9. Now is it divisible by 2 now? No. So let us say with 3. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. So it is divisible by 3. So 2, 4, 3. Again by 3, 81. 3, 27. 3, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So the cube root is 4, 6, 6, 5. Cube root of this number is equal to, see, 1, 2, 3, 1 time, 2 time. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. Now let us see this number divided by 2. 8 2s are 16. Then 7 2s are 14. 8 0 8. Again by 2. 4 3 9 0 4. Again by 2. 2 1 9 5 2. By 2 again 6. By 2 again 5 4 8 8. Again by 2 2 7 4 4. Again by 2 1 3 7 2. Again by 2 6 8 6. By 2 3 43. Now this is not divisible by 2, not by 3, not by 5. So let us try with 7. 7 4s are 28. Then what is left? 6. 63. 9 7s are 7 7 1. So the cube root of 1 7 5 6 1 6 is equal to, see, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So how many 2s? 1 2 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. That is 8 into 7 56. And the last question in that type is again here. Check it. Not divisible by 2. Let us try with 3. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 5, 18. So divisible by 3. 3 3s are. So here 0. 3 3s are 9. 2 left. 7s are 21 and 5. Again it is divisible by 3. So 10, 1, 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So again by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 7, 5. Again by 3. 11, 25. Again by 3. 3 3s are 9. 21, 7, 5. Again by 3. 1, 25. Now it is not divisible by 3. So let us try with 5. 25. Again by 5. Again by 5. So cube root of 91125 is equal to C. 1, 2, 3. From here to take 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. From here 1, 3 and from here 1, 5. That is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. With this question gets over. Thank you.